Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, a big shout out to you guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a skin whitening and face polishing facials at home. So in this video I'm going to literally show you guys how to whiten up your skin naturally and also how to polish your skin, which is going to literally lead to a glowing and beautiful skin tone. Like I always say here on my channel, whatever remedy I put out here that helps you to lighten up your skin or whiten up your skin, this also helps you to fade out dark spots, because whatever works as a skin whitening remedy on your skin also helps to fade out dark spots, because it's going to lighten up the dark spot, making it not to be obvious on your face, because once a dark spot is lightened up on your face, it is literally no longer obvious on your face. A lot of people are constantly looking for ways to lighten up their skin, and there are a lot of whitening product on the market. There are a lot of whitening cream, whitening soap on the market, but sometimes these things actually damage our skins, because sometimes these things actually have these things actually have so much chemicals. I'm not saying products that have chemicals are not good for the skin. They are not products that, they are products that actually have chemicals that are actually very good, but sometimes the chemicals in these products can be quite harsh, or maybe not suitable for the weather condition in our country. So in this video I'm just going to show you guys a very inexpensive way to lighten up your skin. I'm also going to show you guys this natural way you can use to take care of your skin, because of course you don't need to spend so much to take care of your skin. I know there are a lot of students watching my channel, and there are a lot of young people that don't want to spend so much, but they still want to have a glowing and beautiful skin, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. If you'd like to see that, all you need to do is to keep watching this video up until the end. But if you're not subscribed to my channel at this point, I don't even know what you're doing, please subscribe to my channel. Do so by clicking on the red subscribe button down below this video. Also, right beside the subscribe button you're going to find a notification bell icon. Click on it, that way anytime I post a new video, YouTube gets to notify you. If you find this video helpful in one way or the other, do not hesitate to smash the like button, and of course share this video to your friends, family and loved ones. Let's get right into this video. Our first ingredient for this remedy is honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial, so it is great for acne treatment and prevention. It is full of antioxidants, which is great for slowing down aging. It is a complexion booster. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a glow on the skin. So this is the benefit of our honey. I'm going to show you guys our next ingredients. Our next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has immense beauty benefits and helps the skin by providing moisture, reducing dark spots, sunburns and other blemishes on your face, and also helps with healing acne and acne scars. So this is the benefit of our aloe vera gel. I'm going to show you guys our next ingredient. Next ingredient is rice flour. Rice flour is one of the most effective and useful ingredients that helps in lightening and brightening up the skin complexion. It contains power, which is a very good sunscreen. It removes suntan and darkness instantly from the skin. It mildly exfoliates your skin, removes dead skin cells, pigmentation and even out skin tone. It absorbs extra oil from your skin and prevents acne and pimples. It reduces fine lines and makes your skin more youthful. This rice paste will not only lead to a smoother skin. This rice paste will not only lead to a fairer skin, but also a smoother skin with fewer wrinkles. So this is the benefit of our rice flour. I'm going to show you guys our last and final ingredients. Our last and final ingredient is vitamin E. Vitamin E contains antioxidants, which helps in healing damaged skin and prevent the scars from becoming permanent. It is a great moisturizer to the skin, and it keeps the skin hydrated. So this is the benefits of all our ingredients. I'm going to show you guys how to mix this ingredient all up together. Let's go guys. So in a clean bowl I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of my rice flour. This is the first teaspoon, and this is the second teaspoon, and then I'm going to add half teaspoon of my honey. So this is half teaspoon of my honey, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of my aloe vera gel, and then I'm going to punch 1 capsule of my vitamin E capsule, and then I'm going to mix and stir this all up together. I'm going to add a bit of honey. So I'm going to add a little bit of my honey. So at this point, I'm done mixing and stirring, so my remedy is ready to go up on my skin. I'm going to set this aside and of course show you guys how to use this on your skin. So I'm going to apply this generously on my hands like I always do. I apply it on my hands. That's where I illustrate how to use this. So apply this on a clean face. You guys already know what a clean face means by now if you're following me here on my channel. So just generously apply this all over your face. This is going to act as a mask. So once you are done applying it, all you need to do is to let it sit on your skin until it is dry. I normally let it sit on my skin for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes is okay. And if you have so much time, you can let it sit for more than 10 minutes. So once it is dry, all you need to do is to rinse this off with a lukewarm water. This is very easy to make. Literally very easy to make. So just apply it, allow it to sit on your skin, and of course after some minutes of this sitting on your skin, and of course you rinse this off with a lukewarm water. This is very easy to make. This cannot be actually preserved. You're supposed to make the quantity you want to use at once. It cannot be preserved. So this is how to use it, and after a few minutes of waiting for this to sit on my skin, I'll just rinse this off with a lukewarm water. Alright guys, so that is how to make that remedy. In order to use this on your skin, like I always say, make sure you apply this on a very clean skin. Take out your makeup. Even if you don't have makeup, make sure you clean your face. Your face is completely free from every form of dirt. And of course, you apply this on your skin. You can either apply with the help of your fingertip or with the help of a foundation brush like I did. So generously apply this on your clean face and allow this to sit on your skin for about 5 to 10 minutes. And after 5 to 10 minutes, then of course you can rinse this off your skin. You're supposed to use this every single day in order to see effective results. And in no time, you realize this will help you to fill out your dark spots. This is good to help you to lighten up your skin and also help you to get rid of hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and blemishes off your skin. I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. I hope you learned a thing or two from watching this video. If you watch my video here and you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't even know what you're doing, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Do so by smashing the red subscribe button down below this video. It is totally free. Also, right beside the subscribe button, you're going to find the notification bell icon. Smash it, that way anytime I post a new video, YouTube gets to notify you. Also, if you find this video helpful in one way or the other, do not hesitate to smash the like button, and of course share the video to your family, friends, and loved ones, because of course sharing is caring. Until I come your way next time, I'm your dearest host, Ogochukwu. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay motivated, and I love you guys. Bye guys.